Today we are assembling the chopper. First thing you want to do is cut the zip tie holding the handlebar to the frame. After you do that, we're going to turn the stem. We want this to face forward. We're going to now insert the handlebar. Make sure that the cables are all on this side towards the front. Once you find the angle that you like, I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it.
First one, second, down. There's some space here and here.
So you're gonna tighten it a little bit first on top, then on the bottom, and then you're gonna give each one final little tighten. Sure the stem is nice and straight.
One.
You tighten it on one side, and you tighten it on the other side. And do that for each side about 2 to 3 times until it's fully tight. Now we're going to flip the bike upside down. We're going to go ahead and install the tire. Make sure that these lines, how they go up, you want them to go facing, like going towards the inside, towards the crank.
The disc.
And now for the disc, you're gonna want the disc to sit right in the middle, in between the caliper. Should just slide in. Now we're gonna go ahead and tighten with your hand both sides. Then we're gonna get a 15mm wrench. With the 15mm wrench, we're gonna give it a little bit on one side, a little bit on the other. Do that about 2 to 3 times until it's fully tight. Now we're gonna turn the bike. We're gonna go ahead and install the light. To install the light is just one screw. Put it right there in the middle. There you have your light. Now we're gonna go to the pedal. You're gonna turn it clockwise. Once you tighten it all the way with your hand, you're gonna grab a 15mm wrench and we're gonna finish tightening it off. And you have your chopper built.